Very good afternoon and welcome to the Eagle Ridge Hospital Foundation. Another gala, another fundraising we support here at the Brian Jessel Foundation and the Brian Jessel BMW and the Brian Jessel magazine. I'm very delighted to be here as a main sponsor for this gala. Over than 500 people gathered tonight to support their new project, the upgrades of the X-rays.
Eagle Ridge Hospital Foundation does just amazing to provide better health care, better care for patients. They're a role model, and we're so happy to be here, so happy to support and sponsor this evening tonight.
Very pleased to be here. It's a great cause. I think it's amazing, and we really want to appreciate it, and thank you very much.
We at the Brian Jessel Foundation and Brian Jessel BMW supporting the causes in all our communities since over than 39 years. We wish you an enjoyable evening and stay tuned for another event with the Brian Jessel Foundation and the Brian Jessel BMW. And always remember, Brian Jessel BMW, we bring loves to the family. So please, when you select your new car, make sure to buy a Brian Jessel BMW car because we are the biggest contributor to our communities. Thank you so much and enjoy the evening.